Utang sa utang? May utang ka na nga, uutang ka pa ulit para bayaran yon. Saglit anak, solution ba talaga yan o panibagong problema? May menti ako na si Rolly. Motorcycle parts shop owner siya. Umutang siya para mag-import ng high-end helmets at riding gears. Kaso, bumaba ang demand. Nagpanic siya when he could not pay his loan. Mommy ends, pwede bang umutang uli para bayaran muna yung unang utang? Napahinga ako ng malalim. Nako, solution nga pero may panibagong problema rin. Hindi naman kasi solusyon ng umutang para bayaran ng utang. So here's what I told Rolly to do. First, he listed all of his debts by interest rate. Second, he negotiated with suppliers for better terms. Nahihiya siya pero sinabi ko sa kanya, most creditors naman would rather work with you than have you default. Pangatlo, nag-focus siya sa fast-moving basic items instead of expensive imports. In 6 months, nakabayad na si Rolly. He even discovered a new service, mobile motorcycle maintenance. Ito ang lesson. Never use new debt to pay old debt. Trust me, it's a big trap. Face the problem head-on. Create a realistic plan and pivot your business to what customers really need. Anak, remember, sa lahat ng negosyo, focus muna sa basic needs ng customers bago mag-invest sa luxury items. Yung araw-araw na kailangan nila, hindi yung minsan lang bibilhin. Kaya be smart, be disciplined, and let's be business-minded, Pinoy.